This is a $4,000 skirt, polyester. Okay, rebuilding my wardrobe. We are at LANVIN. We're gonna start with these. Wow, it almost looks like too big for me. I'm such a shorty. Oh my God. I wanna know what this is made out of. Good detailing. I'm too short for something like this. It is giving me some hips though. God. Oh, I'm too big for it. Let's spin her around. Okay. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, let me try. Okay, material. Let's see, material. Don't let me down. Polyester. $2,000 for polyester. I don't think I can do that. My thoughts are when you are shopping luxury, it's supposed to be for quality. If I'm gonna be buying polyester, it's gonna be from the fast fashion brands, not from a luxury brand. I can't bring myself to do it. I can't bring myself to do it. I don't even fit this. Holy cow. I look a hot mess. This is a no. Polyester. Is there a difference between polyester and recycled polyester? Don't know. This is a $4,000 skirt, polyester. No thank you. I honestly don't even think I'm gonna try on the other skirt. Now that I know what it's made out of, I will try on the dress. It is $16.50. Not bad. I think it'll be a really pretty dress, but let's see what it's made of.
How are you doing?
Good. The first thing didn't fit well, so I'm moving on to the red dress.
Okay, I told him I wanted him to see the red.
Yes, I'm gonna come out with the red.
Okay, take your time.
Okay. It's pretty. It's pretty. $3,500. Polyester. I wonder if everybody's doing this. Is that an industry standard? It's a stunning dress, but not on my body type. This is a tall, curly, very thin waist.